If your Dutch braids keep coming out messy, stick with me. I'm gonna show you 2 ways to do a Dutch braid step by step, and the end result looks the same, clean and tight. Let's get started. Start by brushing everything smooth, then part it straight down the middle. We'll use one method on this side and the other method on the other side. At the front, take a small triangle section. Now split it into 3. Right, middle, left. Okay, how to hold your hands. Keep your pinky and the side of your palm lightly touching the head. That soft contact keeps the braid neat and helps your tension. Now from the right, take the right strand under into the middle and pinch it with the other hand's index finger and thumb. From the left, take the left strand under into the middle, same pinch with the other hand. Now start adding hair on the right. Take your right strand under into the middle. That becomes the new middle. To free your right hand, rest that side strand across the top of your other hand and hold it with the middle finger. Now the right hand is free. Pick up a small horizontal piece, add it to the new middle section and smooth it in. Then take the resting strand back into the right hand. Left side, same idea. Left strand goes under into the middle. That becomes the new middle. Rest that side strand on top of your other hand to free the left hand. Pick up a small horizontal piece from the left, add it to the new middle and smooth it in. Then take the resting strand back. From here, keep that rhythm. Right goes under to the middle. Rest the side strand on your other hand. Pick up a small piece from the right, add it in, then take the side strand back. Left goes under to the middle. Pass everything over. Pick up from the left, add it in, and bring the side strand back. We'll keep this pattern going all the way down to the nape. If you want more volume, just gently pull on the edges as you go. And remember to keep your hands close to the head. If your hands lift off, the braid loosens. If anything snags, pause and smooth it and keep going. As you reach the nape, keep your hands close against the neck. If you're braiding someone else, ask them to lower their head slightly so your hands can stay right on the scalp. Once there's no more hair to add, switch to a regular 3-strand braid by crossing the strands underneath. Then secure it with an elastic. Great, let's try the second side with a different hand placement. Same start, small triangle, split into 3. Here the difference is the hand angle. Angle your hands slightly downward and keep the backs of your fingers almost vertical against the head. That angle helps you keep steady tension. Now the left strand goes under into the middle and pinch it with other hand's index and thumb. Take the right strand under into the middle, same pinch with the other hand. Now it's time to add hair, and this holds a little different from method 1. Left strand goes under into the middle. That becomes the new middle. Let the side strand rest across your other hand and hold it with your spare fingers, so your working hand is free. Pick up a small piece from the left, add it to the new middle, and smooth it in. Then bring the resting strand back. Take the right strand under into the middle. That becomes the new middle. Pass everything to the other hand again. Let the side strand rest there, so your working hand is free. Pick up a small horizontal piece from the right, add it to the new middle, and smooth it in. Then bring the resting strand back into the right hand. Run that rhythm once more so it sticks. Left goes under. Pass everything over. Add from the left. Bring the resting strand back. Right goes under. Pass everything over. Add a small piece from the right. Bring the resting strand back. From here, just keep working the same way down to the nape. As you get close to the nape, keep your hands right against the neck. That light contact keeps the braid tight and clean. If anything snags, just pause, smooth it out, and keep going. From here, there's no more hair to add, so switch to a regular 3-strand, braid all the way down, and tie it off with an elastic. And that's it, a super clean, tight double Dutch braid. I tried to make everything clear and share all the little tricks along the way. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. You'll find lots of beginner-friendly, fully guided tutorials there. And don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.